So, in addition to the video where we showed how we can hook up syringes to the SEM stage, we're now going to show how we can also utilize the Fluigent pressure-based system, which we have over here. And I'll leave it for another video to explain how this is hooked up, and you can also contact Fluigent themselves that offer a pretty excellent service on how to get set up with it. Just for now, we're going to assume that the setup is fully set up, and with that in mind, we can see that two pressure sources are coming from the Fluigent source into more of these P-caps that you know from already. In these P-caps, we can actually fill them up with the liquids we want to use in our experiment, and use that instead of these syringes. And in fact, you can set it up with the syringes and then later change your mind by simply screwing off the syringe part and attaching this to the P-caps. Now, I hope this is easy to do. Yes, it is. Sometimes if you screw very hard, these become so tight that you really have to work with them. But you can see how this is actually sliding up and down the tube quite easily, and we're going to give it about this much extra length so it can dip into the Eppendorf tube in here and actually be submerged in the liquid we're going to put in here. So we put it in like this, screw it on, and now we have a system where one inlet is still syringe based, the other is pressure based. We can change the syringe as well to this pressure source, and we can really do whatever we want with the inlets now. Just to say that if we do this either with one or two of the inlets, then if I can get the camera off here, then the pressure can be controlled individually by these two controllers. For instance, the one side here, we can simply adjust it and then build up the pressure we want and just control it from here. This goes up to 2 bar and this goes up to 1000 bar, and we really have a bit more precise flow control once we have set up this pressure based system for the SEM holder.